Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna open up these.
Got 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's open them.
Ta-da. You open them. I'll hold the camera.
We're gonna need some scissors.
There's some scissors.
Pop out the scissors, boy. I got 5 minutes, by the way, so we gotta go kind of fast.
What is this crap? I don't think it's gonna cut. Oh, it's cutting through the car. Oh, it works. Why'd you throw my scissors on the ground like that?
It didn't work.
That face though. I just zoomed in on your face.
How many more minutes we got?
Like 4.
Okay.
Like, okay, now it's the first minute. Yeah, guys, so this boxing is only these Joy-Con things. I don't know why we're even making the video, because, like, it's only one thing, right? And it's not even that important, right, Christian? Oh, but we got it open. Okay, let me put them on, please. Can you hold the camera? Okay. So, we got that, and then there's these little...
We'll take those out later.
Yeah.
I'll put one on the other one. Guys, I'm gonna put the camera down like this.
Okay, I got it on. Dude, it's just like a red Joy-Con. Now I got red Joy-Cons.
Like that? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, well here, take them.
Yeah, me. Okay. Okay, guys. So that is gonna be the end of the video.
You
Bye.
We got Mario vs. Rabbids, bro. We're gonna be unboxing here. I got the scissors, bro.
Yeah, give me the scissors.
Forget that, bro. Go unbox that, bro.
Best part of opening up a game, man.
How's it feel?
Feels amazing. I feel so alive.
What if you get a manual? You never get a manual in these games. Cut it a little more.
Yeah,
You don't want to break the case, do you, man?
Yeah, cause I got a little
There you go.
But like, brain.
You thought, boys. You thought we were gonna unbox this one. Man, that's retarded, bro. We unboxing more than that.
Okay, but for quality convenience, can you please get these open? Those things open. So yeah,
I'll watch him open this. Let's open this first. Go fast.
Okay.
What is that?
There it is. Now there's something. I have this paper, but I cannot show it on screen because it has a code for like.
Is it really?
Yeah, it has a code for the.
Oh, the pixel tag.
Yeah, it has a code on there, and I can't show that.
So just set it down. So yeah.
That is it, guys. Hope you like and subscribe, and bye.
See ya. Dirt.